Hello and welcome to the Maya quiz. This quiz is part of our comprehensive 3D animation course in Autodesk Maya, available on multiple e-learning platforms. Let's begin. By default, the pivot of a primitive object lies at its dash. The options are geometric center, corner. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is geometric center. We can manipulate the pivot of an object by using the dash option in the tool settings. The options are modify pivot, manipulate pivot, edit pivot, move pivot. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is edit pivot. The dash key and the dash key are the two keyboard shortcuts used to enable pivot editing mode for objects. The options are A. Delete, D. Insert, A. Home, D. Page up. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. Insert. We have to press and hold down the dash key to enable pivot editing mode and release the key to exit that mode. The options are A. Insert, D. Delete. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. We have to press the dash key once to enable pivot editing mode and press it again to exit that mode. The options are A. Insert, D. Delete. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is insert. We can use the dash manipulator to change the position of an object's pivot from one location to another. The options are rotate, move, scale, selection. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is move. Using the center pivot option, the pivot of any object can be set to dash. The options are its geometric center, the center of the scene. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is its geometric center. The center pivot option is located under the dash menu. The options are Edit, Modify, Windows. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is modify. By changing the height baseline attribute of a primitive object, we can reposition the object and its pivot along the y-axis so that its base, center, or top aligns with the grid. The options are true, false. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is true. Alright, that brings us to the end. See you in the next quiz.